Moko mjodak ma Nyambera e county ma Kisii ne onindo e koyo toka ne Ute Omuki mondo we thuolo ne chenro mar gero ndara e alworano. Kata kamano gikwedo wachno ka moko kuom gi oramo ni utegi ok ni e lop ndara kendo gin gi obok manyiso kama gedono oriko chopie ka giwacho ni omukgi apoya ma ok owachnegi chon. Kinda mar loso gi jagoro mar county ma Kisii Patrick Lumumba ne ok onyago lemo ka Lumumba no otamore loso e wachno kolero ni gavana ma county ma Kisii ema owinjore owuo.
While we are not against the developmental agenda of the governor of Kisii, we only question in the manner in which things are done. That what informs their decision to make such a demolition, when in the real sense those who did the construction, like in the church where we are, we were informed by the town planning, the fiscal planning, town planning and the surveyor. We are aware where the people are for this, for the boundaries, and we did our development within the boundaries of our land. And when they are doing the demolition, there is no notice that was given.
Nimeshangaa siku ya leo kukimbia, ninalia kumuuliza. Hii ndiyo asanti kwa njia ya kubomoa mali ya wananchi wa hii nchi. Sababu angetupa hata siku 3-2 ili kanisa lijipange, tujue hata vitu zetu tutaweka wapi.
Tuliweka mbolea, sasa tumeumia sana, lakini sasa kwa kutengeneza barabara ni njia nyingine mzuri sana juu hii ndio nini town ikue kubwa, ipanuke, ndio tuone town yetu na sisi imepanuliwa. Sasa tunakuomba misaarati, hii kazi unafanya ni nzuri, hata ingalao tumekuwa affected. Tunakushukuru sana, waendelee tena.
William